Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find this section display. Let's tap on it. And now let's check this option, screen timeout. Let's enter, and as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and both are, let's say, the shortest options. And we've got also 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently we've got the 30 seconds option applied. This option is marked, as you can see. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back, you can see that from now on, this device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.